Welcome back, foodies. Leo here, full-time foodie. We're putting in overtime this week. We're really putting in overtime because we are in New York, baby. Return to the motherland. Let me give you a quick hotel room tour. There's the door right here where you come in. The left, got a little Keurig pot, 2 coffees. I'm not a big coffee drinker. Let me show you the bathroom first. All lit up here. I used the soap. It wasn't previously used. Check this out. Nice shower. Nice walk-in shower here. We're here at the Vienna. Let me show you. Vienna in Westbury, New York. Nice shower, I have to say. Here's my beautiful room. King-size bed. Love the mural over here. What is that? Dolphins? Dolphins with flowers, the ocean over here, nice bed, TV right here, and they got a desk here. This is where I put my luggage, camera equipment. It's got a nice view, I have to say. This is the second time I've been back here since we left. I never thought I would ever set foot again in New York. Like, I was done, like it's over. But life, you know, it brings you in different directions, and so I'm out here. Short trip though, just a couple days. I'm pretty excited though. I'm really excited to be here. Happy to be here. You know, seeing all the spots, driving on the Belt Parkway, the Southern State, brings back memories. A lot of things that like I've forgotten. Like you forget after a while because you go through your day-to-day motions. You're not really thinking about it. Like I'm not thinking about New York. You know, if I'm in Orlando and I'm driving to Disney, I'm not really thinking about New York like that. We're gonna hit up Global Buffet down here. It's a Chinese buffet. Before we used to visit International Buffet over in, it's not Garden City, it's Westbury. It's near the Roosevelt Field Mall though, near Nassau Community College also. And I thought that was like the best at the time, but we haven't gone in like 4 or 5 years probably. Now there's this new buffet, Global Buffet. They claim to be the largest buffet in New York. So let's go see if they're valid. All right, we made it here to Global Buffet. Let me take a picture real quick. Instagram. We're over here on Hempstead Turnpike. Damn, I haven't been here in a long time. I feel like I'm dreaming. Feels like a dream right now. It's crazy. I don't recognize any of the shops. And actually over here where they have this Global Buffet, they used to have, I think it was old-fashioned buffet? Old buffet? I don't remember, but it was like a KFC kind of buffet. Oh, it looks nice when you walk in. I got a bunch of stuff. Oh, these are the prices over here. Global Buffet, dinner buffet, $20. So it looks like we're about to pay $20 right now. On the way there, the driver actually told me that the food was just average and that I should have gone to DJ's Buffet instead, formerly known as International Buffet, which we have visited in the past before we moved out of New York. I don't want to give Global Buffet too much time in my video because the food was not good. I cannot recommend them, and I'm rating them a 2 out of 10. I tried not to let it sour my trip. A lot of the food was leftovers from lunch that was not replaced with fresh food for the dinner crowd. You could tell the food had been sitting there for hours, if not days. And then most of the food I did try was either bland or dry. Even the hibachi was super dry, and that was cooked fresh. It was also super noisy in there. They have a bunch of fans going on, and my audio was not that great. I only had 2 plates with not much food, and I just promptly left. Alright, I'm waiting for the Uber. I didn't even want to film the dessert. It was fucking stale. It was fucking nasty. I'm not gonna lie. I'll probably rate this place a 3 out of 10 probably. I'll never come back here again. I think next time I might try DJ's International Buffet. I'm not sure. I don't even really want to. Back to our temporary home. Oh shit, I left the curtains open. Damn, everybody saw everything in here. Alright, back in my room. I just ordered pizza from a spot called Via Meci. Meci or Meci. M-E-C-I. I think it's Meci. Ordered 2 slices and some garlic knots. Try them out. I'm probably not gonna eat all of that, but I'm really craving pizza. Just got my pizza here. Let's see what we got. I ordered 1 plain slice and 1 vodka slice. Let's see what they gave me. The box feels heavier than it should. I have to say that. Oh shit, they made a mistake here. Or maybe they didn't have the vodka slice. I'm serious, this is a pleasant surprise. 2 grandma slices. A couple garlic knots. This is looks like a mac and cheese slice. I don't think I've ever had a mac and cheese slice. First time ever. And classic plain slice. Alright, let's try it out. I'm gonna start with a grandma slice, man. Oh, see this? See this? All my viewers from Orlando, look at this. That's what a pizza's supposed to look like, alright? It's not supposed to be like this, alright? Straight. My God, every bite is heavenly. It's so good. It's crispy. It is still chewy though, even though that crust, you see how thin it is? Now you guys can see it. Super close. The crust, crunchy. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. It's good, but I've definitely had better here in Long Island. Overall, looks good. Let's see. Better than the grandma. It's definitely an 8.8 slice. This is really good. Hear that? Dough's crispy. I love the sauce. Has a little bit of sauce. Good amount of cheese. Thin, crispy, chewy crust. Wow, look at this mac and cheese slice. Man, look how it holds up perfectly. Hear that? A little crispy. Let's see. The pasta looks dry, but I'm curious about it. No. The pasta tastes stale. It is super cheesy, but it's just like dry because it's so stale. I skipped this one. Skip it. Garlic knots. I haven't had one in years, actually. I can't remember last time I had a New York garlic knot. I had some in Orlando that were like 7 days old. It's crazy. Let's see. They sell them like hotcakes up here. So soft, chewy, pillowy, perfectly garlicky, lots of butter. This is amazing. Don't get better than this. This is a 9 out of 10 for sure. Awesome garlic knot. I'm not sure yet where we're gonna end up tomorrow. I got work in the morning, gotta wake up early. All right, have a good night. Good morning, day 2 in New York. I just got up, I got a shower, I gotta head to work. I put up a poll on IG, so if you're not following me on IG, make sure you do. I'm on IG and TikTok, Hungry Polar Bear, no spaces. No spaces, that's key right there. I put up a poll. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Huntington Village and do a food vlog, or I'm gonna go to the Guatemalan food truck and do a food vlog. So let's see what the people want. All right, I'll catch you guys later. All right, guys, back in the hotel room. I had a long day at work. Just changed into my Hungry Polar Bear shirt here. I decided to get American Chinese food right here from a place over here in Westbury called Golden Walk. Let's see how it is. The American Chinese food is not too good in Orlando, but New York has amazing American Chinese food. It's amazing. The pork fried rice with the wok hei, that smoky sort of burnt flavor. It's amazing. It's delicious. All right, let's start with the egg roll. See how it tastes. All right, take a look at the filling. It looks good. It tastes good too. It's nice and crunchy. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. The egg roll is really good. All right, let's try the chicken wings. Super crunchy and juicy, and it has sort of a slight curry flavor, which I really love. I definitely miss this food. Let's try the beef and broccoli. It's It's not the best beef and broccoli I ever had, but it's like a solid 8.5. I feel like the broccoli is a little bit overcooked. But other than that, it's good. It's well seasoned, not overly salty or sweet. It's just right. The pork fried rice, the whole reason why I wanted American Chinese food today, it's just not the same in Orlando. Let's try it. See if it was worth my whole order. I like that there's onions, bean sprouts, and the roast pork. I don't see any egg in this one though. Oh, man, 9 out of 10. Pork is very juicy, not sweet at all, well seasoned. The rice has that nice sort of smoky flavor. It's amazing. 9 out of 10 for sure. Really good food. Overall, I'm gonna give them an 8.7. I think it's fair. They're really good. Not the best I've ever had, not the worst. And definitely more than mid too.